Hello guys, I'm the new storm chaser in helicity. I playing with my friend. My group in helicity. Storm chasers. The group name. His name is Storm Vertex. And in helicity, I am on the Dominator too. I am now playing with my friend again and again. My group it's not me and my friend. In my group is 6 human. My group is 6 human. Now we are deploying. Here's no storm and we're waiting. But we need for read. Oh, not read. Sorry, guys. Okay, I go to the next server. Oh, here's a giant tornado. Strong giant. Oh no, giant. But we can't see. Can't see the tornado. Where's my friend? Oh, where? Going. Oh, here's my friend. Oh, F5 tornado. We need to intercept during storm chasing. Oh, no. So guys, no, now it's F4. Oh. We are going to the tornado. Oh, again F5. No, not here. Here. Let's go. Oh, here's my friend. I think he's left of helicity. Oh, wow. What is this? Oh. What? Where I am? Go, go, go. Guys, and please, can us don't hate me. Just this is my first time chasing in a helicity, and I don't know. Guys, we need to storm chasing. Oh, left. Okay. Is it here? No. Nope. Just but we can storm chasing. Oh, we are close to the tornado. Okay. I hear the tornado sound. Oh, running fast. Where can some Three, two, one, go! Oh, wow! Vertical tornado. They're right. We need to go here. Okay. Contagion in the real life is my dream. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. No, no. Flying. Oh. What? My car is... Let's... Goodbye. Goodbye. Guys, I'm checking the coverage. Don't go the middle suit. Damn medicine. Oh, if we are real close to finish the it's full, but it's not stronger. Cancel says what is it? What are you doing? Yes, for tornado. Yeah. Oh, again for tornado. Go, go, go. Oh, oh. Oh no! Oh no, I want to sprint. I need to sprint. I need to sprint. Sprint. Oh my god. No, sprint. Again, under 20. What's this? What is this? Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Wait, no. Oh. That's the one that one. No. I'm again. Bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Oh, this one is going to go. And, oh. Server. Goodbye. Goodbye, tornado. Okay. Tornado. Here, first storm chasing, and I'm survived. Yes. Okay, guys. Wait for the next server. The next storm chasing. Mine. And good to be guys. Goodbye. Today we are storm chasing. Yes, we are storm chasing. Today on the Dominators 2, and Dominators 2 is very good interceptor. Wow. Very pretty. And guys, goodbye.